Now, let's get to the actual painting, what paint to use. Now, the acrylic latex siding paint that we've used here is for aluminum and vinyl siding. The color is not to be any darker than the actual siding as it is now. Now, when painting, applying the paint, use a brush. A trim brush can be used for getting around all your corner pieces. Now, the corner pieces, as you'll note here, you want to get in underneath in order to protect the paint roller. And when we go to rolling, another very important tip here, do not, under any circumstances, do anything more than 3 or 4 runs of siding by the full length of the home. Don't go all the way up to the soffits and then come back down and go all the way up to the soffits again, because you'll be going wet on dry and you'll see that ridge. It just doesn't look good at all. Now, using a closed foam roller with a bullnose end to get up underneath and do the overlap of the siding is all that's required for the cutting in purposes of the first coat. Now, in the case of aluminum siding, you'll normally get away with 1 coat, as well as vinyl. The reason for that, because you never want to paint, again, darker than the actual color. So therefore, the lighter the color, the better the coverage because of the titanium that's in the paint itself. But when you're applying it, always make sure you go the full length. Now, we've cut that in. I'll show you here with the 7-inch roller. The 7-inch roller now will get the siding right up to the point of where you cut in underneath the ledge. Now, it'll take about anywhere up to 6 hours to fully cure, but it's always nice in the event if you want to go with 2 coats to leave it the full overnight drying period. Now, it's just that simple to do, and it doesn't take that long. After you're all complete, use a trim paint to do all your trims, soffits, fascias, and in the event if you're going to be doing windows, always make sure you mask them out. So there you go.